We're now only a week away from Google's Pixel 7 full debut, and we can finalize some rumors. It seems the Pixel 7 will keep the Pixel SAXS base price in the US and in Europe. Per Amazon listings that jumped the gun from the US and Spain, Italy, Germany, and the UK, the Pixel 7 will start at $599 and €649 in Europe. That's for the 128GB model. This is the second time the prices have been revealed, moving them firmly into credibility territory. The Pixel 7 Pro is likely to start at $899, €899, £849, just like the Pixel 6 Pro. The leaked listings both point to October 13th as the date of shipping, marking off another previous rumor as solid. At this point, we're just waiting for Google to clarify the last remaining pieces of the Pixel 7 puzzle, like the full camera details. There's a rumored jump from an 8MP selfie on the Pixel 6 to an 11MP one on the Pixel 7. The main cameras are expected to remain mostly the same, as are the batteries. The Tensor G2 chipset will be the most major difference, as is the new design of the back.